Hi.
Hi.
We're going to vlog all day. It's going to be great.
Oh God. I saw your Canadian Tire one.
Well, don't furrow your brow so much. Like this. There you go. Now you can't see your bum forehead. There it is. So, we're waiting for Erica. Looking at, show the book. How to be an explorer of the world. Really, it's just cool things to do to see the world a little bit better, I guess. Alright, we're going to give Tammy the rest of this. She just had some, but she just had a whole scoop of ice cream.
Yummy, yummy. Oh, everywhere.
Good girl.
Hey, Tam, do you like the banana?
Tammy, want this one? Yum, yum. What's so funny about animals eating?
You're going to puke in your car.
Have you ever fed goats grass?
No.
I have. Yeah, they go. Like. Let's go. You guys look like such inexperienced hikers.
Inexperienced?
We're hiking at Windy Ridge conservation area or something. Well, we only have flip-flops on, so it's not really the smartest idea, but that's alright. We're going to try to see if we can get to the water over here.
Growing.
Where?
All around you.
Oh, yeah, little forest growing.
Where?
Amongst the big forest. So,
how dirty you are.
Tammy, come here. We drove here, and now we have to drive her back. I don't have a towel. Maybe we can use, like, reusable bags or something.
This is your fault.
It might be too dark. Can you see that? There's me. Fungus. We used to do that when we were little, right?
Yep.
More writing fungus. See if we can write my name. Oh, this one's dry. It's dead. Oh well. So these girls here are, we're pretty sure, going to meet these boys that are here. So we decided to pull over and watch the magic happen. Oh no, I think they're too good for them.
No, look,
Look at how they've arranged themselves all on the line now. They're just like ahead and ready, and they're going to pass right by. They're totally like, we're way too good for you skater boys who are way too young for us. Oh well.
Burn!
Oh, they're checking them out too. The boys are like, yeah, those girls are hot. For anybody actually watching this video, we're in Lindsay, Ontario, and
yeah,
it's really not much to do, so
about it.
we went out for dinner, and now we're just kind of driving around looking for things to do. Right?
Yeah, you are correct.
I don't even know if this video is hitting my face or not, but...
Probably not.
Ooh, there's a baseball thingy. Okay. Do tip what you want.
Rock climbing! And then I can tip you.
I think there's rock climbing back there. Rock climbing? Hi. Eye on the road. Hi.
You can talk to the camera then.
I got a bird today.
Oh.
So we're geocaching. And looking for, if you are a regular viewer of my vlog, the really bad vlog, then you'll know what geocaching is. Because we went right in pencil. There should be a cache here.
Leanne is giving very poor directions.
It's hard with this.
Directions.
Go straight. Erica, what do you find interesting about your surroundings? That's what I vlog about.
Look where we are, Sarah. Look where we are. You're telling me to find something interesting.
Oh, me?
Yes, only you. Okay, you're boring now. Leanne's also doing something boring.
There's no vacancies in that apartment.
That's not fascinating.
Well, it tells you it's a pretty good area. Lindsay has an eternal flame, I think. Is it eternal? I think it's eternal. Oh, it is. Eternal flame and time capsule. Within this column are artifacts of the 20th century that reflect the history of the town of Lindsay. Dedicated on November 31st, 2000, Lindsay Millennium Committee, Town of Lindsay. So there's a flame, and there's stuff inside here, and I guess one day they'll bust it open. So we're looking for a geocache somewhere, probably in a tree.
In the tree?
I mean, like, this could be a micro one for all we know. Under this. Ooh, under these rocks here. What about here? Nope. It's definitely in this park somewhere. I don't know if you're allowed to go back here, but I'm back here. I bet you it's in these bushes somewhere. Guys, look at these bushes. There's a bag. I don't know. I'm going to stop filming. Still looking for the geocache, and I think it might possibly be in these bushes. But there's a lot of garbage, so it's kind of hard to see. It would be kind of hard to see. Oh, it's totally in one of these cracks. Gotta be. Let's see. Okay, Sarah's entered her code. Hold on, what do I do?
Drive forward. Don't hit the wall. And just, I'm really scared. Stop. Go slower.
What was that? Stop.
Go into the
into here? Yeah, I guess. It's telling you. Oh, what? What do I do? Stop. Do I put in neutral? No. Park. You park it in here.
With flashing green.
You have to go.
And then.
Okay, no, stop. No. Go back.
What do you mean go back?
Stop on that bump. It says back up. Are you looking at the lights? Go back.
It says back up. Follow it. Go.
It's a bump.
Now
right
stop.
there.
Now put it in park.
Oh.
And now don't touch anything.
Oh my god, I don't like this.
Just seeing it, just relax. Sarah is claustrophobic. She's going to have a heart attack in.
No, it's not that I'm
4
claustrophobic.
seconds.
I'm just really scared. Don't touch the buttons. I'm scared of car washes. Why? It smells nice. Are all the windows up?
I think so. Are you getting wet?
No.
Hands up.
Hey, you know what Shay Carl does? He puts the windows down when it dries and goes, "Wah!" I'm gonna do that. No, you're not.
Here we go. Oh! What is it?
What if the windshield breaks? It won't.
It's a soft cloth. It's gentle.
If the windshield breaks, you'll just get brushed with the cloth. You get some soap in your face. You won't die. I'm glad I'm not doing this by myself.
Okay, now go slowly so it dries it off. Wow, you can just go slower.
Sarah, what did we just see? A fake bear. What? A fake bear. What do you mean? We'll show you when we go past. I'm going to have to turn back around. That's where we're going in the first place. Okay, well, Sarah got pretty scared excited. Get excited. We just saw...
Scared? I'm in a car.
We just saw, what she thought was a bear.
Okay, we'll show you and
Now we're turning around now at High Hope Farms. Here it comes.
this valley here. See it?
No, the camera can't see it. Oh, there it is. Can't see it. Why would somebody do that?